Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at the euro versus the dollar and also pound versus the US dollar, both exhibiting a more negative tone. The euro far more bearish than the pound, but the pound versus dollar cable spot FX rate potentially shifting more negative as we move forward into November. So we're looking at euro dollar in here, this mini head and shoulders. There's a little head and shoulders top pattern in here. You can see the smaller circles in here, a mini head and shoulders top pattern in here formed through really September, and now this bigger head and shoulders pattern forming all the way from August through September and then October. This bigger head and shoulders top pattern reinforced at the end of October by the sell-off that we saw after the ECB meeting, which took us down through this 116.61 and this neckline support. A bigger head and shoulders top, and now we've got a succession of lower lows and lower highs, and real threat for a deeper correction down into here towards 113, 112, maybe 111 we feel as we go through November into the end of the year. For the pound versus the US dollar in here, the market far more choppy in here throughout October, but we got the rate hike last week, the anticipated rate hike from the Bank of England, but a more dovish tone with the rate hike. So a rate hike but a more dovish tone, and the market actually selling off on the rate hike in here. And although we see very much a range theme in here, 129.03 to 136.58, real threat for a push down to the lower level here, and a breakthrough here would see a more bearish shift. The dollar generally continues to strengthen with positive US data, or even when the data is not so positive, like as we saw on Friday's employment data from the US, the market reacting positively. And then the euro continued to weaken, even though some kind of resolution with this situation in Spain, the euro not being able to rebound, and the pound, as I said in here, selling off even on a rate hike. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist, on behalf of forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.